I'm gonna trim some of that if there's any fat. Some of my friends will make sure they leave absolutely zero of this gray stuff on there.
This is a mixed season that comes from plantation. Only one I've ever used from plantation is they have a hog seasoning for summers for breakfast sausage. I like it very.
Big table full, you know, you're reaching probably this deep underneath and turning it. It's just a challenge sometimes to get it all to mix. Right there, different colors and it's not really mixed yet. Nope, we'll just leave it open.
See, we'll load them back in.
What was that supposed to take?
A night, and then we'll smoke them first thing the next morning. We only smoke one for about 2 hours. Bark from big live oak trees, and we get a decent little. The one thing with sausage making, everybody's got a job, as you can see here. One thing we do want to make.